Okay, so we have summer here, and then we are doing some filler today, and then we did little bit filler in the past. We did a little bit under eyes and cheek area, give this volume right here in the mid face. And today our plan is to do a little bit filler in the labial folds or root of the nose, and we are going to do some Dysport to relax those muscles. Squeeze your eyebrows for me, like right here a little bit, raise your eyebrows up, a little bit on the forehead, and give me a big smile, and around the eyes. And then we did a little bit treatment of the mid face, under eyes, and our Dysport before a couple of months ago. So here is a before and after. It was done in May. You can see, and this is the area. You can see how we are planning to do our filler mid face right here. So if we lose volume right here, the fat pad here, our eye bag kind of becomes more prominent, and then it kind of makes us look tired. So this area we did our cannula. So with the cannula, it's flexible, has blunt tip, and product goes kind of from the side of it, and it kind of spread the product deep so that the eye is looking more rested. You can see the result now. We can see there's a nice contoured cheek right here. You can see only this side too, and our under eyes looks more rested. Just looks more youthful as compared to here. So today we are going to kind of do a little bit filler right here, only half and half ml. And we did discuss about this little lines which happens because of the smiling right here. And for right now we are going to leave it alone right here, the little line. And I agree, because more so the right placement of volume makes you look really youthful, and a couple of lines here and there it actually makes you look more natural. Okay, so any comments? What do you think, or the plan on our?
It sounds really good. I'm excited.
Sounds good. So let's do it right here. All this area really good, and that's good for cleaning. Sorry about that. A little sting. It's lidocaine, and now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Have a little tiny sting. And let it sit for a second, and we're going to do our Dysport. And doing a little bit of treatment around the eyes. Just going to do my cannula. Sensitivity there. I have a drop left. If you want to soften that line, I can. We are almost done. So that area kind of looks tiny bit puffy, just the swelling. When it settles down, looks nice, but you can see the line is nice and soft. Looks good.
Really good.
Yeah, when you smile, it's like softer now, and it's tiny bit puffy with the swelling. When it goes down, it looks really nice, and you can see the right here. It looks really good.
It looks really, really. Thank you.
And then, of course, the Dysport going to take some time to work.
Looks good. You just take your time.
All right, so for your aftercare, it's gonna be, you wanna make sure you're upright for 4 hours, so no laying down, no getting any kind of massages, nothing that's a vigorous movement on the face, no sweating. So that's no saunas, no gym for the first 24 to 48 hours. Also, you want to stay away from active products, so nothing active for the first 24 to 48 hours after your fillers. If you do need to do like slight little massage movements, very, very light, that's totally fine. That is something that you can do. Also, taking Tylenol extra strength is perfectly fine. Nothing that's going to attribute to any thinning of the blood, because that would also attribute to bruising, which we don't want. So you can do Tylenol, avoid Advil.
Oh, I should.
So for swelling, that's totally normal when it comes to filler. You can ice 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off to help that swelling go down. That should subside over the next couple of days.
I think that's it.